Today, a large chunk of DevOps engineers' time is spent in ensuring that the systems are up and running 24/7. We believe that the incident response automation is broken. In the incident response lifecycle, only 5% of the time is sending alerts. The rest of the 95% of the time is spent in recovery, and most of this process is manual. And this involves things like troubleshooting, resolution, and documentation. And while the incident is being resolved, the company has an outage, loss of revenue, and loss of customer goodwill. Enter Neptune. Neptune is an incident response automation platform for the modern era. It helps you troubleshoot and fix incidents in minutes instead of hours. So this results in fewer alerts and more uptime for your applications and infrastructure. It integrates nicely with your existing monitoring and alerting tools like Nagios, PagerDuty, New Relic, and so on, and can take both diagnosis and remediation actions on cloud or on-premise servers. Your engineers do not have to wake up at midnight to fix mundane alerts. In the demo, I'm going to quickly demonstrate how easy it is to get started and walk through two use cases: how to fix memory alerts automatically and how to troubleshoot error rate problems much faster. After you sign up, the first step is to integrate with the monitoring tool. If you're using Datadog, you just enter the Datadog key pairs here. Similarly, you can enter the key pairs for all these other monitoring and alerting tools. Next step is entering an infrastructure API key or installing an agent using a one-liner script. We support both cloud and on-premise servers. You can browse through the most popular use cases from our existing customer base here. The one-stop incident dashboard shows you not only the open and resolved incidents across all your monitoring and alerting tools, but it also gives you insights into the top 20% of the alerts that are causing 80% of the pain. Let's look at a memory alert. As soon as a memory alert is fired, Neptune gives you the memory used and memory swap used graphs and captures the top 10 memory hogs and restarts the processes that are causing the memory leak. Similarly, when an error rate alarm is fired, it gives you the web throughput and error rate trends and latency trends, and finally captures the application logs for 5xx errors from Splunk, Sumo Logic, and log entries, and so on. You can then take a manual action to fix the problem. Let's see how simple this is to set up. You select the Datadog memory alarm, and you can select an execute script action, and you pick a runbook from a set of runbook templates. Add an action. You add a graph snapshot action, and then you pick the two metrics, in this case the memory utilization and the memory maximum metrics that you want to plot, and you give it a rule name, and then you're done. As you saw in the demo, Neptune is extremely easy to use, and it puts the power of automation in the hands of every DevOps engineer. It makes the incident response fun again, so you can focus more on business priorities instead of firefighting mundane alerts. So if you care about increasing your uptime and reducing your MTTR, mean time to resolution, check out our free trial.